Organizing shoes can be a fun way for kids to get their foot in the door when it comes to understanding measurement. Start by stacking shoe boxes. While you're organizing your boxes, compare the height of the stacks. Which one is taller? Which one is shorter? Which stack has more boxes? Directly comparing both stacks will help your child understand and describe the difference. Kids can also practice measuring by organizing the family's shoes by size. Whose feet are bigger? Let's order the shoes from smallest to biggest to find out. Are any of these pairs out of place? They don't need to know specific sizes. They can simply place them side by side to compare which is longer or shorter. Yes, let's swap your sandals with Dad's sneakers. Build in some measurement talk as you begin storing your shoes, for example. What's the highest slot you can reach? Are there more shoes or less shoes on the floor now? Reaching for things and comparing groups of items helps your child describe attributes like height and size. Show your child they can measure even without a ruler. At this age, traditional rulers and scales can be too abstract. Using non-standard units, like shoes, can help them wrap their mind around the idea. How many chanclas tall are you? Let's find out. What else can we measure with our shoes? Remember, practicing math during your cleaning project is a great way to reinforce measurement. But don't forget to kick your feet up and have fun along the way.